Hello, today I have a wool top and I think this is 100% wool, so I want to mend in this hole. I try to do my best. You can see the line of the knitting go this way, so I will try to go parallel with this way. So I start from the bottom here. Okay, I go left hand side here, and then I go up a little bit, and then I go up a little bit, and then I go back this way again, but the same spot before, but a little bit further. Yeah, and then go up again, and then right and go up, and left and go up, and right and go up. And so on. And now I do smaller now. Make it narrow, and then until nothing, and then I finish. Yeah. And then I pull this one a little bit. Yeah. Okay, it look right now. So I go to the wrong side, and then I lock the thread. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for your watching. Please support me to subscribe, like, and share my channel. See you later. Bye bye.